Students, let's begin today's English grammar part 3rd, first standard 7. Topic is enlargement of subject and predicate. Before I taught what is sentence, what is subject and predicate, what is complete subject and complete predicate, what is simple subject and what is simple predicate. I hope you understood those topics. Let's revise once more. What is sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Here you can see bad boys hide their faults. And what is subject and predicate? In a sentence, the person, place, thing or idea we speak about is known as a subject, and what we say about the subject in a sentence is known as a predicate. What is complete subject? A complete subject is made up of all the words that tell whom or what the sentence is about. What is complete predicate? A complete predicate is made up of all the words that tell what a subject does. I hope this is clear. Then what is simple subject and simple predicate? Simple subject is the most important word in the complete subject. What is complete subject here? Complete subject is bad boys. What is most important word? Boy. Boy is a simple subject or most important word in complete subject. Now what is complete simple predicate? Simple predicate is also most important word in the complete predicate. What is complete predicate? Hide their fault. What is most important word? Hide. So here up to I taught before. I hope it is understood. Now come to the point. What is enlargement of the subject? You have to find enlargement of the subject in this sentence. In the complete subject, what is complete subject? This bad boys is qualified by an adjective. It is adjective or adjective equivalent called its enlargement or attribute. It is also known as a attribute. So, and what is a adjective equivalent? A word or group of words which does the work of an adjective is called an adjective equivalent. Now see what is enlargement of the word here. You have to find. Bad boys hide their faults. Bad boy is a subject. Predicate is hide their faults. What is complete subject? Bad boys. And what is most important word here? Word boys. Hide is a verb and rest of the predicate is their faults. Now you have to make a column like this: subject, then predicate, then you have to find out enlargement. Here you see the word bad which goes with the subject word boys is called enlargement. Here it goes with the boys, so bad will be enlargement, and it is also qualified. What type of boy he is? Bad. So bad enlargement of word will be a bad. Now come to the next point, enlargement of the predicate. Verb in the predicate may be enlarged, extended or modified by an adverb or any word or words doing the work of an adverb. Such words or phrases are called its extension. Which is the verb in the predicate? You see in this example, the boss replied angrily. Which is the verb in this predicate? Replied. The verb angrily. Angrily is an adverb which goes with the verb replied. So it will be known as a extension of the predicate. You see here the boss replied angrily. The boss is subject. Replied angrily is a predicate. So here the adverb angrily, it is going with the verb replied, so it will be a here extension of the predicate. Here you see answer, how did boss reply? Answer comes angrily, and it is going with the verb replied. If it is going with the verb replied, so here will be a extension of predicate. Angrily will be a extension of predicate. Now see here, she writes her copybook neatly. Which is the predicate in sentence? Can you say which is the predicate in sentence? She writes her copybook. Which is the predicate in sentence? writes her copybook is a predicate in sentence. Which is the verb in here? Verb is writes. So the adverb neatly is going with the verb writes. So here extension of predicate will be neatly. How does she writes? Answer comes neatly and it is going with the verb writes. So it will be a extension. What is extension of predicate? Verb in the predicate may be enlarged. Verb in the predicate. All replied is a verb. Writes is a verb. Or any word or words doing the work of an adverb. Such words or phrase called extension. So here the boss replied angrily. Here replied angrily is a predicate and it is going angrily is going with the verb replied, so it is a extension of predicate. One more thing you note, a or an or the are already a attribute. Attribute means enlargement. Now you solve all this. The flame spread everywhere. He went home. She spoke distinctly. The boy ran a mile. The postman. This you have to find out enlargement of predicate. And page number 203 is homework for you. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.